Have you ever wondered why sometimes you remember things that never happened, or see patterns in completely random events? What if I told you that your brain is lying to you every single day? Yes, your own mind, the organ you trust the most, is constantly playing tricks, misinterpreting reality, and fooling you in ways you don't even notice. Today we will uncover the hidden ways your brain manipulates your perception, memory, and decisions. By the end of this video, you'll start questioning what your mind has been telling you all along. The brain's illusions. Your brain is constantly predicting the world, not just reacting to it. Optical illusions are a perfect example. Your eyes capture light, your brain interprets it, and often it adds assumptions based on past experiences. This is why a straight stick in water appears bent, or why two identical colors look different depending on the background. Your mind fills gaps in perception, and in doing so, it often invents things that aren't really there. Memory manipulation. Memory isn't a perfect recording device. Every time you recall an event, your brain reconstructs it. And during reconstruction, your mind can add, remove, or alter details. This is why eyewitness testimonies can be unreliable. You might sincerely remember an event that never actually happened. Psychologists call this phenomenon false memory, and it affects everyone from children to adults. Your brain is essentially lying to you every time you trust your memory blindly. Cognitive biases. Humans are wired with cognitive biases, shortcuts that help make decisions quickly but often at the cost of accuracy. Confirmation bias makes you notice information that supports your beliefs while ignoring evidence that contradicts them. Availability bias makes you overestimate the importance of recent or dramatic events. These biases are your brain's way of simplifying reality, but they are also a daily source of deception. Perception versus reality. Your senses are not perfect. The brain constantly interprets sensory input, sometimes creating sensations that aren't there. For example, phantom limb sensations occur in amputees because the brain still expects input from a limb that no longer exists. Similarly, people experience hearing their name in white noise or feeling someone touch them when no one did. These are your brain's interpretations, not reality. It's lying to you to maintain a sense of continuity. The subconscious lies. Most of what your brain does happens in the subconscious. Your decisions, judgments, and even emotional reactions are influenced by neural pathways you aren't aware of. Studies show that your brain can make a decision seconds before you are consciously aware of it. This means you are not even in full control. Your brain is shaping your actions before you think you choose. It's the ultimate hidden lie. Memory tricks and false recognition. Have you ever had a feeling of déjà vu where something seems strangely familiar even though it's your first time experiencing it? That's your brain misfiring memory recognition signals. Similarly, you might recognize faces that aren't real or misattribute names to people. The brain's constant pattern finding, while useful for survival, also generates daily illusions that trick you into believing false familiarity. The role of emotions. Your emotions can distort your perception and memory. Fear, excitement, or stress can alter how your brain records and recalls events. A stressful situation can make small threats seem enormous or exaggerate danger in your memory. Similarly, happiness or nostalgia can make the past seem rosier than it really was. Your brain is subtly lying to you to influence your emotions and decisions. Social influence and suggestion. Humans are highly social beings and our brains are wired to conform. This makes us susceptible to social influence and suggestion. Advertisements, media, and peer pressure can manipulate your perceptions and choices without your conscious awareness. Studies show that group consensus can even change your memory of an event. Your brain trusts social cues and in doing so sometimes deceives you. Brain chemistry and misperceptions. Neurotransmitters and hormones also affect how you perceive reality. High levels of dopamine can make you see patterns or connections that aren't real, while stress hormones like cortisol can skew your memory. Addiction, fatigue, and mood disorders further demonstrate how chemical changes in the brain can manipulate your perception. Essentially, your brain's biology contributes to the daily lies it tells you. Brain chemistry and misperceptions. Neurotransmitters and hormones also affect how you perceive reality. High levels of dopamine can make you see patterns or connections that aren't real, while stress hormones like cortisol can skew your memory. Addiction, fatigue, and mood disorders further demonstrate how chemical changes in the brain can manipulate your perception. Essentially, your brain's biology contributes to the daily lies it tells you. How to outsmart your brain. Knowing that your brain lies doesn't make you powerless. Awareness is the first step. Understand that your memory is fallible. Your perceptions can be misleading, and your biases influence your decisions. Critical thinking, mindfulness, and fact-checking are essential tools to counteract your brain's deceptions. Meditation and reflection can help you recognize patterns and prevent being misled by your own mind. Your brain is an incredible organ capable of astounding feats of prediction, learning, and adaptation. But it is also a daily liar, shaping your perceptions, memories, and decisions in ways you may never notice. Understanding these lies can make you more conscious, careful, and curious. Next time you trust your mind, remember your brain may be lying to you. And now you know why. Stay curious, question everything, and keep exploring the hidden mysteries of your mind. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share with friends who think they can trust their own brains. More mind-bending science videos are coming soon, so stay tuned.